Next 9.7, page number 327. Next 9.7, propanol and pentane 3-1. Propanol and pentane 3-1 are the ozonolysis products of an alkene. What is the structural formula of the alkene? So the products are propanol and pentane 3-1. Prop means 3 carbons, al means aldehyde. So the structure is 1, 2, 3 carbons, it is aldehyde. Then here CH3, here 2 hydrogens. So the propanol is CH3, CH2, CH1. Then pentane 3-1. Pent means 5 carbons. Third place contains ketone. So the structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third place contains ketone. Third place contains ketone. Then CH3, 1, 2 bonds, here 2 hydrogens, here 1, 2, 3, 4, here no hydrogens, here 2 bonds, so 2 hydrogens, 1 bond, that means 3 hydrogens. So then we will written as, for example, CO, CO, C double bond O, it means C double bond O, here CH2, CH3, here CH2, CH3, next CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3 plus propanaldehyde. Oxygen is written into left side. That means O, O double bond CH, CH2, CH3. O, CH, CH2, CH3 gives rise to. So the product is, by removing oxygen atoms, the product is CH3, CH3, CH2, C, CH2, CH3, next one double bond, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, then it is numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, so from left to right third place, from right to left third place, so we can give from any one side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So third place contains ethyl group, 5, 6 carbons means hex, third place contains ene, so it is written as 3 ethyl, 6 carbons means hex, third place contains ene. So the answer is 3 ethyl hex X3 ene. It is the answer for 9.7%. Thank you.